question is asking, is it sinful for a woman to recite the Quran without wearing a head covering?
The woman, she should know if it's in her house, or she's with her husband, she has got no strangers that she needs to put the hijab on, no harm for her to recite the Quran without a hijab. And by the way, this question is not came from nothing. No. In the madhab, some of the madhab in the Hanafi, say for example, the woman when she recites Quran, she puts their the scarf, the hijab. It's not correct. There's got no proof for that. The woman, she in her house, or she is along with her sons, children, on her own, husband, she is allowed and she's encouraged to recite the Quran. We tell her going to put hijab on. I think she's going to put her off. Every time put the Quran, put the hijab on. So she could recite the Quran without the hijab, inshallah.